In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send custom notifications in Salesforce, making your workflow smoother and more efficient. Whether you're managing a team or streamlining your tasks, customizing notifications can greatly enhance communication and productivity. To start, make sure you're logged into your Salesforce account. Navigate to the home page where we'll begin our customization journey. Once there, look to the top right corner and you'll see the settings icon. A quick click here will open up a world of options. Our aim is to access advanced features, so your next step is to click on Open Advanced Setup. It's like unlocking the door to a treasure trove of customizable possibilities. Now, in the search bar at the top, type Notification Builder. This will help you easily locate the tool we'll be using. Once Notification Builder is open, click on Custom Notifications. This is where the magic happens. We're getting into the nitty-gritty of the process now. When you're in the Custom Notifications section, look for the New button and give it a click. This takes you into the creation mode. Here, you'll be asked to choose the type of notification you want to create. Take a moment to consider what best suits your needs. After selecting the appropriate type, proceed by clicking on Next. You're now ready to personalize your notification. Start by typing in a clear and descriptive notification name. Think of this as the title of a book. It should be clear, concise, and give the recipient an instant understanding of what's coming their way. In a similar vein, enter a description. This is where you can provide more detailed context. Consider sharing the purpose or importance of the notification here. To effectively reach your audience, next, focus on notification channels. It's important to select the right channels to ensure your notification reaches its intended audience. And finally, after reviewing all the details, click Done. With these steps, you've successfully set up a custom notification in Salesforce. This feature not only keeps your team informed, but ensures that communication is clear and targeted, reducing any potential for misunderstandings. Congratulations, you're all set. Custom notifications are live and ready to enhance your Salesforce experience. As you continue to explore and use this feature, you'll likely find even more ways it can benefit your specific needs, further optimizing your workflow and keeping everyone in the loop. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this helps you get the most out of Salesforce. Enjoy your newfound efficiency.